that's asked about our maintenance program is, do I have to call you to have my maintenance visits done? I'm going to tell you that there are some companies out there, they sign you up on a maintenance program and they wait for you to call them to have the maintenance done, because the hope is that you forget that you're paying that monthly payment and you forget that you should have your maintenance done, like we all do, and they wind up making a bunch of money and you never receive the services. So again, we talk about a professional company. We're going to call you when it's time for your maintenance. So when you sign up on the maintenance program, we instantly put you in the system. The system has reminders and it tells us, hey, we need to call the Jones family and go out there and get their furnace maintenance or their air conditioner maintenance done. We call you and email you and get something set up. That way it's out of sight, out of mind for you. You don't have to think about it. We're the professionals. We take care of it for you.